Morning. Do you know how many metro lines is there in Riyadh City?
Not really, not the exact number.
How many stations?
Not really.
When the metro will be launched?
I don't know, to be honest.
You don't know?
I have no idea.
Same, I have no idea.
No.
But I know the metro will be launched in the next few weeks.
Few months, yes. And maybe before the end of the year.
I don't know.
You don't know how many lines?
I have no idea.
You have no idea?
No, not at all.
No idea.
No idea. And you?
No idea, but it might be launched in 2025. Probably.
Morning. Do you know how many metro lines is there in Riyadh City?
No, actually,
How many stations?
no. I have no idea. I don't know.
No idea.
No idea.
No idea? Okay.
Hello, my name is Zaid Ayman and I am from AlHussan International School, Riyadh. I am 16 years old and today we had an amazing experience of how to build the robot mimicking the metro lines, and I would like to thank the Airbus Foundation for this amazing experience, and also to thank Ms. Rana for explaining for us how the metro will work and giving us the opportunity to make the future better.
Thank you.
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Omar Darstani from Hussan International School. I'm 16 years old. Today we learned about how to program a robot exactly like the metro line, and we got help from the Airbus Foundation. We'd like to thank them a lot for this enjoyable experience, and thanks for Ms. Rana and the team behind. So thanks.
Hello everybody, my name is Majduddin Alabi and I am Syrian from AlHussan International School. I'm 16 and today we got joined by Little Engineer from Airbus Foundation. We had an amazing experience. It was so great. We made incredible robots and we had an amazing time, and we would like to thank Airbus Foundation for this experience, and thank you very much everybody.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Abdullah Ashraf Mahmoud Zalqout. I am a student at the AlHussan International School, Riyadh. I am 16 years old and I am nothing short but honored of having this experience brought to us by the Airbus Foundation. This experience was nothing short of extraordinary and absolutely beneficial for us, as it taught us how to code a robot to mimic the metro lines of Saudi Arabia, and it was absolutely amazing. Thank you very much.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Faris Safadan. I'm 17 years old. I'm in grade 12 in AlHussan International Schools, Riyadh. And truly, a huge thanks to the Airbus Foundation. Truly an amazing experience. We managed to make robots together, make it follow a huge path, and it was so delicate, and the way we dealt with all the parts was just amazing. And thank you to Ms. Sana as well to help us create these wonderful things. We managed to note down all the information about the huge foundation and the future it can help with 2030 in Saudi Arabia. Thank you.
Thank you.